Hi, welcome. Hi, hello. So for the start of the vlog today, I thought I would show you guys what we're making for lunch. It's really delicious, really good. We made it a bunch of times. They're turkey lettuce wraps. It's just a very simple, quick, easy lunch. So I thought I would share. I can't take full credit for this recipe though, because I learned it from one of our HelloFresh recipes. It's not sponsored or anything, but I feel like I have to credit them because I didn't just like come up with this. But it's very simple, so I wanted to share it with you so you guys can recreate it yourself. This is my sous chef, who is teething like crazy. Do you want to show them your 2 teeth? Can you show them? Good. Good. Good, good. Go, ah. No, you shy. You don't want to show them your teeth. That's okay. So for the veggies, obviously you need ground turkey, but lettuce. I've gotten better romaine lettuce than this, just for like the lettuce wrap or like lettuce boats. These are pretty small. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, so my sous chef has abandoned me. I've had better romaine lettuce boats, but these will do. We have a bunch of them. Cilantro, chopped onion. These are bell peppers. I've made them with like all different. I've made them with red. These are orange, obviously. I've also made them with yellow. It's all very delicious. And a lime. So I'm gonna start cooking and then I'll tell you guys the sauces and everything I use. Once the turkey is browned and the vegetables are in, then I add sauce, which I've added so many different sauces to just test it out. They're all delicious. I love a good sweet chili sauce. I've also used this stir-fry sauce that's really good. You can buy them at your grocery store. Just pick out one you like. You can totally modify it because, I don't know, why not? Whatever flavors you like. And then I added a squeeze of lime juice. Simple, easy. So I'm gonna show you guys now how I assemble it, and then we're gonna eat. We just finished Theo's doctor's appointment, and where his doctor is, kind of. It's somewhat close to Dumbo, and we never go to Dumbo anymore. It's just kind of out of the way, but if you guys have followed me for a while, you know we used to live in Dumbo. It changes all the time. They're always like popping up new restaurants. Like the park there is really pretty. So we thought we'd do a little walk. It's actually really nice today. It's like 40 degrees, which I know may not seem that warm, but when you've been in like 20-degree weather, it's actually a lot warmer. So we're gonna do a little family afternoon in Dumbo. There he is. Necessities. Thank you, sir. We missed the first bus. Then he's like, okay, we have time. Let's get coffee. He gets coffee. We missed the second bus. So here we are waiting for the third.
Let's not blame the coffee.
That's what happened. The girls came over right before Theo's bedtime.
Did you show your teeth? Go.
Yes.
Oh, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Oh my God.
We're having a girls' night, and Julia is making these really cute cocktails. Look at her. What's in them?
It's tequila, triple sec, Aperol, and lime juice, and then like a Prosecco float.
Theo, what do you think of your crazy aunties that come over once a week? Yeah, I just showed. Hers has vodka because she does no tequila for Carrie. And Patrick's going out tonight. Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
I like it. Where's this from?
Page.
Nice.
Back and forth for like 3 minutes.
Sorry.
He was playing
My
tennis.
laugh is so loud.
Oh.
We are just about to go leave to go shoot a few new pieces from Backyard Roses that came out this week that I'm so excited about. We have a couple new pieces that are perfect to transition into spring. The first one is this cute purple lavender lilac sweater cardigan type thing. I absolutely love this. I layered it today because it's still a little bit chilly in New York, but this will be really great to transition. I can wear this over a dress. Bless you. I have an audience. And yeah, I just think it's just really cute and I love it, and it's very cozy and comfy. So this is the first piece, and then we did a little lounge set, which I really wanted to do just because I feel like it's that time of year, but you could also dress it up and like actually go out in it, which that's what I did when I went out to go shoot it. I just wanted to show you how you could make it into an outfit. Are you good? You okay? But you could also just lounge in it and like mix match the pieces and everything. So it's in this like kind of teal green blue color. I was lounging in this last night, so it might look a little disheveled. The pants are just so comfy. So little knit pant and then a cropped turtleneck, the back ties with a bow, which is really cute. It's just an easy set to just kind of feel like you're put together but still be comfy cozy. You can wear it out, you can chill in it, whatever. We just kind of wanted a good transition piece, and right now that just feels like something we wanted to do. So I'm so excited about those pieces. So I will have a link if you guys want to go check it out. But we're gonna go out and we're going to take some photos, which you guys will see. Myself, just so we're aware.
Tess in the wild can get a spare. She can get on the board. She's already on the board, but she can get a spare. Here she goes, and it's a gutter ball.
Pressure. That's it.
Listen, we can't all be. Oh, who's a famous bowler? Who is? I'm
oh, I thought you said a guy here and was like, oh my god, he's a famous bowler.
Yeah.
We're all bad, it's fine. It's a warm-up round. Warm-up round.
5.
5. We all have like 18, 15. She has 5. Oh, 6. He's new to the vlog, people, but he's beating all of us. Killing it. Are you sitting at a restaurant? Like a big boy. Yeah, you are, aren't you?